So what is your name?
I'm Jeremy,
Where are you from?
Blaine, Minnesota.
Great. So do you think money will be a factor in relationship?
I think it becomes a factor in terms of. I think there's more to do when you have money. You can participate in more experiences. So I found that when I'm out there dating women, and when I have dated women, they want to do things. They want to go out. So when it comes to that experience, in terms of settling down, I don't think it much matters because you're a teen. But I definitely think in the dating world these days, money matters. Yeah.
Okay. So you think money is the foundation to start a relationship?
I don't think it's a foundation, but I do think it's a key piece that certain people look for.
Okay. And do you think a lot of relationships fail because of money?
Well, if they're having financial problems in terms of if they're supposed to share those responsibilities and you have, say, one of them outspending while the other one doesn't, they have to be on the same page. If you're not on the same page when it comes to money, then it becomes a problem like any other problem in a relationship.
So in a relationship, most of the time, man doesn't really care if woman makes money, but woman does. Do you know the reason for that?
I think it maybe just goes back to what's in our DNA, right? Men are usually providers and protectors, and women are homestead. Now, I know that that's not proper to say these days, but you can't go through thousands of years of evolution without it being a team. And I just think that that's something that's built in. Now I have nothing but daughters, so I have all 3 daughters, and I hope that I'm raising them in a way that money is not their concern.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Have a good one.